Cathy buys, people listen. We are talking about SPCE, Virgin Galactic. They are going crazy after hours. So we thought we'd do an update because the things are looking very, very green for them at the moment. So if you're an investor into Virgin Galactic, is this the start of a potential bull run on this stock? This is a very volatile company, as you know. Virgin Galactic is probably, I would go as far to say, is the most volatile and speculative company there is. They're trying to send people into space, the everyday person. It has never been done before. This is extremely volatile. But if you're in this, you're in it for the long haul, and you're going to hope that they get to space. Their stock is going crazy after hours. If we can see right now, at this moment in time of recording this, it's currently up about 14%. Of course, this is volatile, so this could change. But one thing's for sure, I think we're going to definitely see a green day. That is for sure. And it's not just Virgin Galactic that is flying. Pretty much all space companies are going crazy right now. MPA, which is a merger with AST Spacemobile. If we look at what they are after hours, currently about 12%. SARC, which is merging to become Momentus, they are currently up 22%. I mean, this is going absolutely crazy. There's another company as well on my list, which I really want to speak about because I've been invested in them for about 8 months and they're in the 100% club. So they are also going absolutely crazy. I'm going to do a video on them in a few days' time. Why? Why is everything going up right now? Well, this is why. Cathie Woods, Ark Invest plans ARKX space exploration ETF to tap the growing industry. If you're not familiar with Cathie Woods, then you must have been hiding under a rock. She is the CEO and founder of Ark, which is an enormous company which has been taking the market and the investing industry by storm. They are well known for being big, bold investors in innovative companies. So Tesla is their largest holding. They also have lots of different EV companies. They're into the biogenetics companies at the moment as well. And they also have a position in space, Virgin Galactic. If we look at their ARKQ, which is Ark Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, Virgin Galactic sit very nicely in there. Company number 20, Virgin Galactic's holding, and they make up almost about 2% of this ETF. So they are, of course, fond of this company and clearly fond of the sector because what they're now doing is creating this next space ETF. Just to give you a little bit of insights, it is going to be under ticker symbol ARKX. Now, as this moment in time, no companies are confirmed what's going to be in there. But from the fact that Ark already holds space, Virgin Galactic, and it's probably one of the most talked about and innovative companies out there in this sector, I have no doubt that this will be in the ETF. Hence, we are seeing this go up because this means a lot more people are going to be buying shares and going to be buying into Ark's ETF. They say that the space exploration ETF will focus on companies that are leading, enabling, or benefiting from technology, enable products, services that occur beyond the surface of the Earth. So there are 4 different categories that are going to go into this ETF. The first one is orbital aerospace companies. So these are companies that either launch, make, or service, including satellites and launch vehicles. The second one is suborbital aerospace companies. So launch, make, service, or operate platforms in the suborbital space. So drones, taxis, electric aviation vehicles, that sort of thing. And then enabling technologies. So this is like 3D printing, robotics, that sort of sector. And then the last one is beneficiary companies. Companies that stand to benefit from the aerospace activities, agriculture, internet access, GPS, construction. So I think it's safe to say that Virgin Galactic fall into this. One of the first 2 categories there, they fall into this for sure. And I'll be very, very surprised if they're not in this ETF. I think everybody would go crazy. But yeah, they're going to be in this ETF. And just in case you are wondering, is there anything like this at the moment? There is an ETF that you can invest into out there right now. It's not owned by Ark, but there is an ETF, and it is called ticker symbol UFO. Ironically, very good ticker symbol. And yeah, they basically have loads of different space holdings. There's currently, I think there's 32 in total with a whole list of space stocks. I'm going to put that up here. These are their top 10 on this list. Obviously, MAXR Technologies on that list, Orbcom, companies like that. Very big companies. But also, Virgin Galactic are, of course, in that fund as well. And they currently have a position of, let me just find it, 3.86% in that ETF, which is kind of, in line with what else is going on as well. So they are in that ETF. They make up a good part. So this is really the news at the moment. This is why space is rocketing up after hours and, tend to see a little bit of a bull run from this. So it's very good news for investors. This is of course still a volatile stock. This doesn't change anything in the long run, but what it does show is that big investors, big hedge fund managers, etc. are even more bullish on this sector going forward. This is a sector I absolutely love. I hold Virgin Galactic, as you guys know, and a couple others in this particular sector as well. It's something that I really do believe is the future. And yeah, if big managers like this are quite bullish on it and they're now creating individual ETFs purely for this sector, I think this is a promising sign for the company. So let me know down below, are you holding Virgin Galactic? Have you decided to invest? Just remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing into the stock market, you should always do your own research first. It goes without saying, space is risky and speculative. It is the unknown really at this moment in time. It's not happened before. Nobody's from the everyday person has done a commercial flight to space yet. They need to get this to actually work to make money. We need this company to make money, therefore to make us money. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that would be greatly appreciated. Also join the Discord. We talk all things stock and it is completely free. Thanks for watching and until next time.